Namaste. In today's session, we will study about the pharmacology, definition about the pharmacology, what is pharmacology. In this, we will study about pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic and their principle also. So let's start from pharmacology. Pharmacon means active principle or active ingredient or equivalent to drug, medicine or poison. And logia means study. So pharmacology, the science of drug, is known as pharmacology. In pharmacology, it is the study of the substance that interact with living system through chemical process, especially by binding to regulatory molecule and activating or inhibiting blood process. Include history, source, property, compounding, biochemical and physiological effect, PK and PD, therapeutic and other use, precaution, adverse effect, interaction and co-indication of the drug. All these are considered in the pharmacology. So let's see the applications of pharmacology to control speed of onset, intensity of the drug's effect and duration of the action. Hence decide on the route of the administration, the amount and the frequency of each dose and the dosing interval. To identify the possible side effect and withdrawal symptom of the drugs and take measures to manage to avoid the adverse effect from the drug interaction and co-indicated drug, to avoid adverse effect in special populations like generic, pediatric, pregnant and lactating mother, to avoid treatment failure due to tolerance and resistance. So basically we use pharmacology to control the speed of onset, means onset of the drug action or the duration of the drug action or the intensity of the drug action. So okay, we study the pharmacology. In this in the pharmacology we study how drug affect the body. Okay, how drug affect the body and what and how the drug work on the body, that process we study in the pharmacology. So ड्यू टू फार्माकोलॉजी मीन्स अगर हमें पता चल रहा है कि हमारी बॉडी पे ड्रग कैसे एक्ट कर रही है, तो हम उसका एडवर्स इफ़ेक्ट रोक सकते हैं. ठीक है, ड्रग ड्रग इंटरेक्शन रोक सकते हैं, कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड ड्रग्स हमें पता चल जाएंगी. ठीक है, ड्रग एडवर्स इफ़ेक्ट जो होता है in different population like pregnant lady and lactating mother, we all reaction study in the pharmacology. So hope you will understand the gist of the pharmacology. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.